For all, good evening, teacher and all beloved friend, my friend too. Today I want to explain you about what is the language meaning more. And in the slide 24, that we can talk about the language that have two main points. One is language is a system of arbitrary conversational vocal. Then we focus on the written or gesture or symbol that means you use it to communicate, or we use the kind of language to have communicate with other people. Then we use written gestural symbol. That means we use other language. And one more is we talk about the other thing. It can be the creativity of language, the pursuit, primacy of speech over writing, and the universality of language among human beings. And we can say that language have the maybe can be a lot of meaning, the broad meaning that we can focus at talk about a human being too. That we use the language to learn to know about the human being or the way to creativity of the language. Yeah. And for the next, then we talk about the other can be the yield of the quality composition definition. That language have many meaning, a lot of meaning that we can say that maybe around 100, can be around 100 meaning. That in this slide they have it has 8 points. That one talk about language is thematic. Language is a set of arbitrary symbols, and those symbols are primary vocal. The symbol have conventional meaning to which they refer. Language is used for communicate. Language operates in a speech community or culture. Language is essentially human, and language is acquired by all people in much the same way. Language and language learning both have universal characteristics. That we can say that it's useful. Language is very useful. Yeah, useful, but that we can use to communicate or can learn both about universal characteristics too. And then we consider some of these possible areas. They mean the area of the language. The one I talk about is splitting and for more account of the system of language or several possible levels. That is, that we combine one talk about phonological, syntactic, and semantic, and what the symbolic nature of language that I also briefly explain you, but I want to explain you more that we can talk about the relationship between the language and reality. Yeah, reality, that means the real. It can be talk about the real life of something is quite like and also philosophy of language and the history of language. We could learn about it, and it's the possible area of language. And one more phonetic, that we talk about phonology, writing system, Kansas, proximity, and other paralinguistic feature of language, and almost semantic language and condition. And the other Then we talk about a communication system, speaker, hearer, interaction, sentence processing. Then we can use the language that to use. I mean, we can use the language to speak out, or can we listen from the other, or what we interact, or can we process at the same time, that is. And one more thing, really touches social, linguistic, language and culture, bilingualism, and second language acquisition. Yeah. Then we can talk about social linguistic too. I mean, languages show us or tell us about social linguistic, like talk about language and culture, about what social linguistic acquisition. Human language and non-human communication, the sociology and sociology of language. And one more language universal was language acquisition. Here, like we talk about a possible area of the language. And one more thing that the next slide we talk about what is learning. That we want to know what is learning and teaching. But here we talk about what is learning. The learning is acquiring or getting out knowledge or skill by studying or experience or instruction. That means that the way we get the knowledge from the other one, it can be from teacher, from the other guy that has experience, or they are the specialist person. They have they mean that they have the expert of one measure or one skill that they give us or they teach us, or they share the idea or experience, or can be some instruction that become a learning. That means the way that we get the knowledge from it, that we call learning. And learning is one thing that learning is a relatively permanent change in behavioral tendency and in the result of reinforced practice. That we can say that learning, that we learn it and then we use it to change our behavior, or that means the way we practice it to get the result that we get from our practice, or something that we do it, that means we call learning too. And one more thing to talk about what is teaching. Teaching is that means that it is a different as showing or helping someone to learn, or guiding or providing the knowledge providing knowledge to the other to understand. Like I said, that can be the guide, teacher, lecturer, or advisor, or whatever that can be teach you. That is the meaning of teaching. Teaching cannot be different apart from teaching. Teaching is guiding and facilitating learning, enabling the learner to learn, setting the condition for learning. Yeah, like that means it can be like I said, teaching is guiding and that teach you to know what is the setting or the condition of one situation or one or something that happened. They teach you to know about it, how to do it, how to do something, or get to know about what you want to learn, what you want to know, or like this. And one more there can be a breakdown a component of definition of learning that is that means that extra can be that we can say that for the learning that idea learning is acquisition or getting. Learning is relation of information or skill. Routing implies storage system, memory, cognitive organizing. Learning is involved too. Learning is relatively common. Learning involves some of practice. Learning is change in behavior. That means that this is when one that talk about the meaning of that the word, the learning word that can be getting or you retention of information or skill, or that can be the memory or cognitive or what involved you that involve some practice, some property that we can learn that from that way, that kind that we can be getting some from, or we can learn from practice or what else. Teacher, the word
acquisition. Yes. Simple. It's just simple, right?
Yes, simple. Quay from